Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Silage with Passion. My name is Felipe Amaro, and I'm the Global Technical Support and Research and Development Manager for Passion Ag. Through this series, we're exploring the essential steps to producing and protecting top quality silage. In the sixth episode of our series, we'll be talking about silage sealing strategies, a crucial step to protect the crop you've worked so hard to cultivate, harvest, and pack. Once you finish packing silage, sealing becomes your frontline defense against oxygen and the elements. Remember, oxygen is still the number one enemy of fermentation. If you let it re-enter the silo, it fuels spoilage microbes, leading to heating and dry matter losses. That's where sealing strategies and the materials you choose make all the difference. Now let's talk about oxygen barrier fumes. Unlike standard plastic, oxygen barrier fumes are multi-layered and designed to greatly reduce the passage of air into the silage. They prevent even tiny amounts of oxygen from reaching the forage, which greatly decreases top layer spoilage and dry matter losses, resulting in an overall improved silage quality. In fact, previous research has shown that oxygen barrier fumes can decrease top layer spoilage by 70% and dry matter losses by 50%, besides extending aerobic stability by 2.5 days when compared to standard non-oxygen barrier fumes. And it's not just about oxygen. Rain, wind, and sunlight can also take a toll on silage. So remember, if your oxygen barrier is not UV protected, you need a protective top layer. This double layer approach, oxygen barrier plus a protective film or cover, is the gold standard for minimizing losses. Now let's talk about weighing. A good cover is only as effective as how well it's held down. Although dirt and tires have historically been used to weigh down covers, they are laborious and often pose hazards such as the source of contamination as well as nails and wires. Gravel bags offer better and more consistent surface contact than tires, especially along edges and seams. They're clean, easy to handle, and ideal for keeping plastic tight and secure. And don't forget the sidewalls. If you're using a bunker or trench, lining the walls with an oxygen barrier film before filling helps prevent spoilage where silage meets concrete or dirt. Remember these steps: seal immediately, use a good quality oxygen barrier film, protect against weather, and weigh down properly. These simple steps can make a huge difference in preserving feed quality and reducing losses. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Silage with Passion. And here's to a successful silage season.